In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a custom email signature in HubSpot so every email you send looks clean, professional, and on brand. Start by logging into your HubSpot account and heading to the top right corner. Click on the settings gear icon. This is your main control center where you can customize everything in your account. Once you're inside settings, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the General section. Under General, click on Email. This is where all your email-related settings are stored. Now scroll down until you find the Email Signature section and click on Edit or Manage Signature. This will open the Signature Editor where you can create or update your signature. Here, you've got two options. You can use the simple editor to type your details like your name, job title, phone number, and website. You can also format the text, add links, and even insert an image like your company logo to make it more visually appealing. If you already have a custom designed signature, you can switch to the HTML editor. Just paste your HTML code there, and HubSpot will render it exactly as designed. This is perfect if you're using a signature generator or want a more polished look. Once your signature looks exactly how you want it, click Save. Don't skip this step or your changes won't apply. After saving, your email signature will automatically appear in all one-to-one emails you send from HubSpot, helping you stay consistent and professional in every conversation. And that's it. You've successfully added an email signature in HubSpot, making your communication smoother, clearer, and more professional every time you hit send.